For much of this week with our news coverage and a Channel 4 documentary Tuesday night, we have been looking back and reflecting on the 30th anniversary of the Challenger disaster and the lessons that were learned.
Tonight, Tarik Minor is focusing on the years since Challenger and what NASA is planning for the future of space exploration.
NASA has been quite busy, gearing up to take us far beyond low Earth orbit to deep space to Mars, continuing to push the limits into space. From the 1960s quirky TV show.
This will come as quite a shock to my crewmates.
To this year's breathtaking movie Martian.
Nothing will stand in our way.
And now Star Wars. The world's fascination with things out of this world never lets up.
Liftoff, the final liftoff of Atlantis. On the shoulders of the space shuttle, America will continue the dream.
When the shuttle program came to an end with this Atlantis mission in 2011, many wonder if America's glory days of space exploration also came to an end. The answer? Not even close.
By ending the shuttle program, that freed up funding to allow us to develop the Space Launch System and the Orion vehicle that actually give us the capability to put boots on Mars one day.
That's right. The director of the Kennedy Space Center just said, we're heading to the red planet Mars. And this oddly familiar-looking orbital is going to take us there. This is the Orion spacecraft.
4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff at dawn. The dawn of Orion and a new era of American space exploration.
In many ways, it's designed like the Apollo command modules, although much larger and much more technologically advanced. This inaugural unmanned flight just over a year ago lasted more than 4 hours before landing in the Pacific Ocean, where the Navy quickly retrieved it. The Orion capsule is designed to take astronauts farther than they've ever gone before.
We want to establish a presence beyond planet Earth. And eventually, Mars is that first step. It's been calling us. It's going to happen. We're gonna go see what's there firsthand with humans. We've been going back and forth to low Earth orbit for 50 years. We know how to fly in low Earth orbit. It's time to transition that space over to the commercial sector and allow NASA to focus on the really challenging job of exploring beyond our home planet.
And while NASA heads deeper into space, it continues to partner closer to home with commercial enterprises, now navigating just a couple hundred miles above the Earth in areas around the International Space Station.
The kind of folks that we're working with here at Kennedy Space Center are those individuals and companies that have a desire to explore space. Include Elon Musk, Richard Branson, Paul Allen, Jeff Bezos, and the companies that they have founded, including SpaceX, Blue Origin, Virgin Galactic.
In fact, just last month, it was Musk's SpaceX Falcon that pulled off this jaw-dropper, even by Hollywood standards, successfully launching, then returning to land in the exact same location. And if you've ever dreamed big, now's the time to act. NASA is still accepting applications for its Mars astronaut program.
There's no age limit, but you do have to have a technical degree. Math, engineering, or one of the physical sciences, as well as 3 years of experience in your field. This is just an awesome team. I get to come to work every day here at the Kennedy Space Center on this beautiful 144,000-acre wildlife preserve, and look out and see the VAB and these launch pads and be part of this amazing team. I just challenge folks, if you're interested in being part of a world-class team in an agency that's been #1 in the federal government for 4 years in a row, come on down.
NASA says a target date for human space flight to Mars is about 15 to 20 years away. But before that, they continue working experiments aboard the International Space Station, and NASA plans on capturing and redirecting an asteroid to orbit Earth's moon, all in a day's work. I'm Tarik Minor, Channel 4, the local station.